Okay, so if the clip seems a bit choppy, it's because I don't know what I'm actually doing. But basically what you want to do is go on either Pinterest or Google. You can see that I'm going on both, and find any images that you find inspirational, motivational, or anything that you find related to what you want to do, or whether it's something that simply inspires you. For me, I found a lot of motivational quotes that I can just look at and read, and typically you want to find ones that are bright colours, because those are the ones that tend to sort of stick out the most and have the nicest effect. I've noticed anything black and white is sort of a bit dull. You can also just find any photos that, say if you want to go to France, you can find a photo of like at the Eiffel Tower and just use that on your vision board, and then it's a reminder of what you're working towards. And this is not saying that you're gonna get it just by having it on the vision board. No, this works in a way that you constantly remind yourself that this is what you want to do, and it sort of gives you that extra motivational boost to do something about it. So for example, I want to be a tattoo artist, so I found a picture of a woman tattooing. I picked a woman because, well, I don't know if you noticed, but I am one, so I'm just gonna use that as sort of an inspiration. I also actually picked I took a screenshot of my YouTube channel and a subscribe button with 1 million subscribers. Now this may seem cringy to some, but to me it's sort of a reminder of what I'm working towards or what I want to work towards, and I did add a lot of inspirational quotes to remind me why I am doing this. Now what you want to do is you want to edit some photos that you may not like the background of or the colour of, or any edits you want to do, even if it's just cropping. I'm using Photoshop. If you don't have Photoshop, I'm pretty sure you can use another editing tool. I know that there is a free editor online. That's what I use, I think. I'm going to try and leave a link in the description for that. Yeah. Now what you can see that I'm doing is I'm simply pasting all of the photos on Word, like you just have that on your laptop and computer naturally. Well, not naturally, but like automatically you have it on there. And I did waste quite a bit of paper because I don't really know how to jam pack photos on there, so you can do it however you want. But I just did that and then I sent it to print. I got my stuff printed off now, so we can get started. Okay, so I realised that I haven't included a list of what you need, so you can find that in the description as well. But basically you need some form of board. You can use a canvas or a cork board like I am. They're fairly cheap. I got mine for like £3 in Tesco's. You also need some form of glue. I'm using PVA glue, I think. I don't know. Scissors, and I did use a pen, but you don't have to. So all you're going to have to do is you're going to cut out the pictures, arrange them on your board the way you like to, and I don't recommend sticking them down straight away in case you don't like them or in case you realize you don't have enough space. And then once you're happy, you're going to stick them down. This took me like 15 minutes to do. You can obviously extend it. You can add anything else to it, some music, or you can meditate if that's your thing. I just did it because, like I said, it's more of a visual representation for me rather than anything else. So my video cut me off because my phone ran out of space, but the last step is you want to hang it up or place it in a place where you will be able to constantly look at it. For me, it's above my desk, as I do draw and I do write, so whenever I look up, it's staring right in my face.